Your daily dose of internet.
Jesus, this sounds like a Pokemon.
It's been a few weeks, think it's time for us to enjoy this banger once again.
This
That's pretty
person
cool,
walked
though.
into a store and simply walked out without paying, and the cashier couldn't believe it.
What the fuck is that?
You can see the exact moment when this cat realizes that it got stuck. Here's an extreme close-up of a microscopic worm that can be found in many ponds and lakes.
Well, that's fucking disgusting.
The eye of this whale got really close to get a better look at the scuba diver.
These are huge, dude. Oh damn, it's actually really cool, dude. Holy shit.
Someone bought an old abandoned lighthouse and turned it into a hotel. The hotel is located 34 miles off the coast of the United States and is only accessible from a boat or helicopter. After a few months
Rust.
of cleaning up and upgrading, the lighthouse was ready to open.
Now it's the equivalent of a one-star hotel.
Oh. Thanks, man.
A great white shark started biting at this cage with scuba divers inside.
Maybe, huh? I'm confused. Can't the shark possibly find a way to bite somebody in the cage, dude? Like scratch them?
That's the end of this video. I really hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys again very, very soon.
Okay, so you
Later.
know what, chat? I'm watching it, dude. We'll do it, dude.